A guide to taking notes in class. Most great learners are also great note takers. They use notes to help them learn as they listen and to record information for self-study after the class. In this guide, you will discover why, when, and how to take notes. You'll be able to create a note-taking system that best suits your learning preferences. Why take notes? Taking notes of what happens in class is necessary for two main reasons. Firstly, and perhaps most obviously, we take notes to help us remember the main points of the class. We use these notes to go back to when we are reviewing or studying. Secondly, we take notes to help us learn as we listen. This works because a good note taker focuses on fully understanding the concepts as he or she structures them on paper. A good note taker is constantly balancing these two. She may feel that she needs to slow down and engage with the class, maybe ask a question, or think about how the instructor's information will apply in her life. On the other hand, she may feel the information is more about things that just need to be remembered, and she will focus on note-taking. How to prepare to take notes. First of all, you need to be ready for class to take good notes. Ensure that you have completed your assigned readings and assignments and have reviewed your notes from the previous lesson. Now you're in the best position to understand the lecture, anticipate what information might be important, connect class material with the course as a whole, and formulate questions you may want to ask. What to write in your notes. Don't try to write down every word the teacher speaks and writes. You will be so busy recording the lecture that you will not be able to learn. Instead, listen and actively make an effort to understand the class material as it is presented. As you listen, organize and contextualize the essential ideas, concepts, and facts. By focusing on writing down just what is important, you will have the time to be engaged in class and complete a good set of notes that you can refer to when reviewing and studying. Your instructor knows this and will most often slow down and repeat complicated ideas. In short, your head should be up more than it is down. How to organize your notes. There are 6 common methods for organizing your notes. The Cornell method, where you divide the paper up into 2 halves, one side for taking notes during the lecture and the other for creating a test yourself section after the class. The keyword method, which encourages you to think more and write less. The mapping method, where every idea is related to each other visually. The outlining method, where notes are organized with indentations. The charting method, which uses a table to organize your notes, and the sentence method, in which sentences are used to summarize and organize your thoughts. Find the methods that work for you. Combine and modify them to suit your needs. Remember that your notes are for you and for you alone, so organize them in a way that works for you. Contact the writing tutor to learn more about each note-taking method. After the lecture, revise your notes within a day or two and review them again before your next class. Discuss with other students what points they found interesting and important. Keep your notes in mind as you complete your readings. Rephrase them as your understanding evolves. Seek out help from your instructor or a tutor about anything you still don't understand. Keep practicing. The skill of taking notes in class takes time to master. However, once learned, you will get the most out of your classes and your grades will reflect it.